Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove hearing shortcut to Control Center on iPhone. So as you can see, when I scroll down to my Control Center, there's no hearing option right there. So we are gonna add it, and to do that, just go to Settings, scroll down till you see Control Center right here. So click on it, and scroll down here on More Controls till you see the hearing option. So as you can see, it is right here, and just click on the plus sign or plus button to add it to the Control Center, and it will be automatically added to the included controls. And if we scroll down to the Control Center, it will be now added there on the bottom right. That's basically it, guys. And if you want to remove it, you just need to click on the remove sign right here on the left side of it and click on remove. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.